Hey everybody, Lewis here. Rshackbbq and other things. So, still got some snow around here. You see those green chairs down there? That's around a fire pit. You know, just a round fire pit that I put a Weber Kettle bowl down in. Yeah, don't think I'll be using that one, but I'll explain why that's important in a minute. So, today it's probably 34 degrees out here, and you know, it's a little bit after Christmas. I'm still going through some of the things that either I bought for Christmas or received as gifts, and got one in the shop that I want to show you. So let's head on over to the shop and do an unboxing video. Might bust out the snow blower, try to blow away some of that snow so I can open my back gate there. But all right, let's go on into the shop. So get some of this garbage out of the way. Ordered this also on Amazon. As you're seeing, I'm addicted to kind of to Amazon. Seem to get a lot of product on there. And they make it convenient because they ship right to your house, and it is pretty fast shipping. But let's open this up, see if you guys know what it is and why I would need a Weber Kettle like a fire pit. So, my favorite, styrofoam. Yeah, do this like this. Comes with a some kind of rod here. You probably know what type of rod this is if you're into grilling. This is for a rotisserie spit, but it's really not the main reason why I got this. I opened up my garbage can, but that's all right. Maybe this will help give it away. Have any guesses yet? It's got a little bar up here with a couple of wire things hanging down. Well, we won't mess around too much with that until we figure out what we're doing with it. Set that aside. That's kind of important. There, a nut was loose. Set that over there. Take Got a couple boxes of hardware here. We'll open those in a minute. Take a look at this. This is kind of neat. Hopefully all the pieces are here. We got it kind of weirdly wrapped up here. That's interesting. Let's figure this out. Interesting. Cardboard. Almost looks like I have to get this piece out of here. Maybe not. It's just very interesting how they have it wrapped in here. But I'm not going to be gentle. As a I don't know, it doesn't seem like that's stainless steel, but has a grill rack. Where's a magnet? Yeah, a magnet sticks to it, so more than likely this isn't stainless steel, it's just steel, but we'll find out. Set that aside. More garbage. So, let's figure out how to get this plastic off of here. I want to get this. There we go. There we go. Now it's in two pieces. So there's one ring. Set it right there. And this is the other ring. And once you know it, There's another nut. Set it over there. Okay. Alright, here's the boxes. Here. I would assume one of these is the motor for that rotisserie, which is this box right here. There is the rotisserie motor. One looks to be battery operated. Yeah, it's got two big DC batteries, locators. I don't know if I'll use battery operated, but, and then this box full of hardware. I'll have to figure out. There it is. So, let's take a look at this. It's from OnlyFire. OnlyFire Santa Maria style rotisserie combination. And they show it on a Weber Kettle. This is the assembly. We'll go through it and we'll assemble it. Alright. So you basically just have to look at the picture here and try to figure out how this thing goes together. I'm gonna say that we'll mount these later. The first thing we want to do is look at this piece. Figure out how it goes. Then, let's see. I think this is the bottom. Yeah, that's the very bottom. And then, set this like this. Yeah, see that screws up in there like that. And now we've got our adjustable rack, which slides up and down on these posts, and these attach to it, and then your grate falls in here like so. Okay. So, looking at this, this bottom base may actually go the other way. Let's see what they show on the drawing. Yeah, they show it going the other way. And what it is these wing nuts that you see on the side. It looks like those probably basically are set screws for the Weber Kettle. So, it kind of holds it on there, and we'll bring over a Weber Kettle and see how this all fits at the end here. But hopefully I'm not taking too long. It looks, this is the one that I unthreaded. Let's get started there. The main thing is trying to figure out how this attaches on there, and it looks like that's what those nuts are for. Let me see here. What does it show? It really doesn't show. But if we look at this, this is those loose nuts. They fit, they thread right onto that. So that's what that is. All right. So there's a hole right here. What you do is you see if we can get, yeah, see there, you gotta kind of pull out on the handle to get it to go up, and then you put it in there, and that holds it so it doesn't fall back down. And when you're ready, just take it, because otherwise it's going to be bad. So, and then just bring it up and put it in the hole. That'll work, you know. It does its job. There is a little bit of play in that, but that's okay. I mean, you don't want it so tight that it doesn't move up and down, so that's all right. And yeah, you know, for what it is, that's going to work pretty good. And then for your spit, see, what do they do? They show the motor on the same side as the handle, which should be this bracket. What you see is you've got little slots here that this actually, what it looks like, that fits right in there like that on both sides. I got it on the top position here. You've got 3 positions. Oops. That's funny. Well, now isn't that a hilarious thing? Is it me or is it them? Looks like it was manufactured wrong. Well, I'll be. Actually, I take that back. It does show that it goes diagonally across these beams. So one is one way and one's the other, which is kind of strange, but hey. I guess that's why we look at the instructions. So this is the OnlyFire Santa Maria attachment for a Weber Kettle. That's cool. I like it. And I'm going to be doing a cook on it soon. So stay tuned for that. Let me get a Weber out here and let's see how she sits on it. So just have a Weber Kettle here. I don't have anything in this. This is one I'm kind of cleaning up. I'm going to be selling. But let's just see how well this sits on it here. Oh man, that's, yeah, that actually sits real nice. You've got 3 wing nuts, it looks like. You can rotate it. I want to rotate it away from that handle there. Yeah, that actually fits on there real nice. I'm not sure if you need to do the wing nuts, but yeah. So now you can see it's attached. Very cool. And we'll take our spit out. We'll drop the motor. Let's just bring this up like so. Now you can do, look at there, rotisserie underneath. Get that. So there. Pretty sharp looking, isn't it? So once again, this is the OnlyFire Santa Maria style attachment for a Weber kettle. I like that it actually sits on those lips good and locks on there good. And you can do the rotisserie. To open fire. This is going to be fun cooking. You know, like I said, there's a little bit of movement in there, but not bad. All right, so that's my unboxing and first initial thoughts of the OnlyFire Santa Maria style grill for a Weber kettle. Pretty sweet. I like it. Anyway, like I always say, thank you for watching. You could do this too. Stick around for some cooks on this thing. Until next time, my friends, grill on.